I like to mix things up in the fall with holiday-themed fine motor activities. As a school-based OT, I am always looking for engaging activities that get my students' hands, fingers, and eyes working together. And this is great for that. How it works is use the bubble tongs or the tweezers to pick up the Halloween-themed objects and put them in the matching color cups. Bubble tongs are great for working on pre-scissor skills because it works on separating your fingers from your thumb, open and close motion. And the tweezer tongs are great for working on pre-writing skills because they really work on that pincer grasp that you need to hold a pencil. Kids love it when I bring out the Halloween activities, and this one is super fun. There are actually 10 colored cups. I have them double stacked so it looks like there are only 5. 4 separate tongs. This would make really good filler to put in with colored rice or something, but I thought it was easier to show it just by themselves on the table. Anyway, this is an activity that my students really enjoy, that I would recommend, and that I would buy again.